When it comes to keeping your vehicle running smoothly and looking its best, engine cleaning is one task you should never ignore. Over time, engines accumulate layers of oil, grease, dust, and road grime that not only make your engine bay look dirty, but can also impact performance, trap heat, and hide potential issues like leaks or worn components. A high-quality engine cleaner or degreaser helps break down these contaminants, making maintenance easier and extending the life of your engine parts. In this guide, we're diving into the top 5 best car engine cleaners for 2026, focusing on cleaning strength, safety, ease of use, and overall value, so you can choose the perfect solution for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, the WD-40 Specialist Machine and Engine Degreaser is a trusted option from a globally recognized brand. This cleaner is known for its water-based, foaming formula that clings to surfaces instead of dripping away quickly. That foam action allows it to penetrate grease and oil more effectively, especially in tight or vertical engine areas. It's particularly useful for routine maintenance cleaning where you want solid performance without using overly harsh chemicals. One of the biggest advantages of this degreaser is how easy it is to use. You simply spray it on, let it sit for a short period, and rinse it off with water. It leaves minimal residue behind, which means your engine stays cleaner for longer without attracting additional dirt. It's also considered safer compared to many solvent-based degreasers, making it a great option for beginners or anyone who prefers a more user-friendly product. While it may not be the strongest option for extremely heavy buildup, it performs very well for light to moderate cleaning tasks and regular upkeep. Moving up to number 4, the Sonax Engine Degreaser and Cleaner is a powerful and versatile solution designed to handle tougher grime. Sonax is a well-known brand in automotive care, and this product lives up to that reputation with its ability to break down stubborn oil and grease while remaining safe for various engine components. It's formulated to work on metal, plastic, and rubber surfaces, making it a reliable all-around cleaner for modern engine bays. What makes this cleaner stand out is its deep penetrating action. It reaches into hard-to-clean areas and lifts dirt without requiring excessive scrubbing, saving you time and effort. It's also designed with a more environmentally conscious formula compared to some harsher cleaners, which is a bonus for users who want effective cleaning with less environmental impact. Whether you're doing routine maintenance or restoring a neglected engine, the Sonax cleaner offers a strong balance of power and safety. At number 3, the Kraken Bond Engine Cleaner Spray brings strong cleaning performance with a focus on convenience and efficiency. This spray is designed to quickly dissolve grease, oil, and dirt, making it ideal for users who want fast results without complicated preparation. It's particularly effective for tackling built-up grime in engine compartments, helping restore a cleaner and more professional appearance. One of the key benefits of the Kraken Bond Cleaner is its quick action. You don't need to spend a lot of time scrubbing, as the formula works rapidly to break down contaminants. It's also easy to apply, with a spray design that ensures even coverage across different surfaces. This makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users who want a straightforward and effective cleaning solution. While it's powerful, it's still important to follow proper usage instructions to protect sensitive components during cleaning. Stepping up to number 2, the ADA's Specialty Cleaner and Degreaser is a professional-grade product built for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. This type of cleaner is commonly used in automotive workshops and detailing environments where engines may have significant buildup from long-term use. It's designed to cut through thick grease and oil quickly, making it ideal for deep cleaning projects. What sets ADA's apart is its high-performance formula. It can handle both light and heavy grime, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. This makes it a great option for users who want a single product that can cover everything from routine maintenance to intensive cleaning jobs. Despite its strength, it's formulated to be safe for various engine surfaces when used correctly, ensuring you get powerful results without causing damage. If you're looking for a cleaner that delivers professional-level performance, the ADA's Specialty Degreaser is a top contender. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Oil Eater Premium Cleaner and Degreaser, a standout product known for its exceptional cleaning power and versatility. This cleaner is designed to break down oil, grease, and dirt effectively while being biodegradable, making it a safer and more environmentally friendly choice. It's a favorite among both professionals and DIY users because it delivers strong results without relying on harsh chemicals. One of the biggest advantages of Oil Eater is its versatility. It's not just limited to engine cleaning. You can use it on tools, garage floors, driveways, and other greasy surfaces, making it a multi-purpose solution. The concentrated formula allows you to dilute it depending on the level of cleaning required, giving you more control and making it cost-effective over time. In terms of performance, Oil Eater excels at both light and heavy cleaning tasks. It penetrates deep into grease and grime, lifting it away from surfaces with minimal effort. At the same time, it's non-corrosive, which helps protect engine components during use. This combination of power, safety, and versatility is what makes it the top choice on this list. When choosing an engine cleaner, it's important to consider how often you'll use it and the type of buildup you're dealing with. For regular maintenance, a milder, water-based cleaner like WD-40 Specialist is often sufficient and easier to handle. For more stubborn grime, products like Sonax or Correspond provide stronger cleaning action without being overly aggressive. If you're dealing with heavy, long-term buildup, a professional-grade solution like Ada's is the better option. And if you want a versatile, all-in-one cleaner that can handle a wide range of tasks, Oil Eater is hard to beat. Regular engine cleaning not only improves appearance, but also helps with maintenance. A clean engine makes it easier to spot leaks, worn hoses, or loose connections, allowing you to address issues before they become serious problems. It can also improve heat dissipation, which contributes to better overall performance and longevity. In the end, the best engine cleaner is the one that matches your needs and cleaning habits. Whether you're looking for something simple and safe for regular use or a heavy-duty solution for deep cleaning, there's a product on this list that will work for you. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best car engine cleaners for 2026. From the reliable WD-40 Specialist machine and engine degreaser, the powerful Sonax engine degreaser and cleaner, the fast-acting Correspond engine cleaner spray, the professional-grade Ada's specialty cleaner and degreaser, to our top pick, the versatile Oil Eater premium cleaner and degreaser. Each of these options offers something unique. Which engine cleaner are you planning to use for your next detailing session? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals so you can keep your engine clean, efficient, and running at its best. Thanks for watching.